娘が勤めるアメリカのブルーオリジンっていうロケット開発する会社、打ち上げるよ。これから飛ぶよ。さあ、もうすぐ飛びます。この会社でエンジニアで働いてます。いよいよ飛ぶよ。昨日から今日に1日延期になったこのロケット。
All right, we have a great view of New Shepard sitting out on the pad, getting ready for launch. Next up in our countdown, we're going to be watching for the bit checks. These are built-in tests to help us make sure that all of our systems are ready to go for flight.
We've got great visuals here of New Shepard on the pad. We'll get great audio as well through those built-in tests. And as we see them, we'll call them out.
Yeah, Eddie, the first thing we're going to be looking for is the aft fin checks. So if you look down there at the base of the booster, you can see those fins, those control surfaces that rotate to help direct the vehicle on ascent and descent.
A little bit like sticking your hand out the window while your car is driving. The air pushes against the aerodynamic surface, helping to control the vehicle.
There we go. We see the gantry pulling back. Now the booster is getting ready. We are used to seeing the gantry out there so we can do load in of our astronauts, our payloads. Again, no humans on board today, but everything ready to go. We're watching for those aft fin checks. You'll watch them rotate at the base of the vehicle.
And there they go, moving through the full envelope of motion there. Great built-in test.
After those aft fins, we're going to be looking for the engine nozzle gimbaling. The engine gimbals or rotates to help maneuver the rocket as it flies, providing a thrust vector control. Meanwhile, we're keeping an eye on the pressure and temperature in the propellant tanks. Both of those sets of variables need to stay in the start box or the green zone for us to be ready to launch. Okay, we are at T-minus 30 seconds. It is time to hand it off to mission control. Let's launch this rocket.
T-minus 16, guidance internal. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
We have ignition of our BE-3 engine. And liftoff. Mission control confirms that New Shepard has cleared the tower and is headed to space. You can see on the lower left side of your screen that we're gaining speed. As New Shepard gains altitude, the atmosphere gets thinner. The graph on the left shows vehicle ascent. Now, we actually started at about 3,700 feet MSL. That's how far above mean sea level we are at Launch Site 1.
How exciting, Erica. A great shot there of the PM, the propulsion module, moving away from Earth. That BE-3 engine providing 100% power level. And here shortly, we will approach max Q. This again is the point where aerodynamic stress on the vehicle is at its maximum, so the BE-3 engine will throttle back for a little bit as we pierce through the atmosphere. Now that we've passed max Q, BE-3 will begin to throttle back up to 100% power level, we'll see that velocity ticker on the left of your screen start to increase more rapidly as the air gets thinner. New Shepard is moving faster and faster.
Absolutely. You can also see that engine plume start to expand as we get into that thinner, high upper atmosphere. Such a cool shot there.
So just over 2 minutes of boost for the BE-3 engine before we reach the next stage of our mission, MECO, main engine cutoff. That will be the next milestone we'll see.
New Shepard continues to climb 145,000 feet.
There it is, main engine cutoff, just over 2,200 miles per hour, and soon vehicle separation.
Always love seeing us coast through MECO. Now, when the vehicles separate the crew capsule from the booster, we're going to be entering that phase of microgravity. And you can see that zero-G indicator at the bottom of your
ちょっと早
screen.
送りするね。
Seeing this, those are our experiments, our customers today, getting their microgravity data in.
Per hour. The retro thrust system will take us down to just 1 or 2 miles an hour as we get down to the base of the desert floor.
There it is, touchdown for NS24 and our 33 customers and 38,000 postcards.
What a journey. Special thank you to all of our customers flying important science and education on board today, especially to all the students who designed and built experiments. Want to share. Following a thorough review of today's mission, we look forward to flying our next crewed flight soon.